I've been looking like a whole busted rat.
I'm gonna do it tonight. I'm gonna do it tonight. Ooh, baby, I'm gonna do it tonight. Ooh, mama, I'm gonna do it tonight.
So the girl was out shopping for her a little Halloween costume. Wait, first of all, let me introduce myself to those who don't know me already. My name is D Lovely. Thank you for clicking on that thumbnail. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you do that before leaving this video, girl, because I have a whole lot of content coming out your way. It is the holiday season, so your girl is gonna be on and going this place and that place. So I got me a costume and I can't wait to put it on and show you guys, because I think I'm gonna be cute and I'm gonna be able to use that in the future, if you know what I mean. It's one of those sexy outfits. But anyway, I am going to finish getting dressed, but before I do that, I want to share with you guys this recipe that I found online. I wanted to do a punch because I have this glass clear pumpkin that you could put like juice in it and candy and stuff. If you watch my recently decor video, you seen that glass pumpkin that I'm describing. But anyway, I wanted to do a punch and put it in there to bring to the party. So I came across this pomegranate rum punch that has champagne in it, and it has cinnamon rum in it and a whole lot of other stuff that I never heard of. So I'm gonna be making that today with you guys, and I wanted to share with you that recipe and also do a taste test to see if it's hitting on what the reviews was talking about. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm also bringing some shrimp cocktail. I supposed to did my famous bang bang shrimp, but your girl did not feel like cooking. I have also a skeleton that I'm gonna do like a cheese tray on. It's so cute, can't wait to show you guys. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into that before I put on my clothes. Let's jump into this video.
It's close to midnight. Something evil's lurking in the dark. It's close to midnight.
The foulest stench is in the air, the funk of 40,000 years, and grisly ghouls from every tomb are closing in to seal your doom.
Alright you guys, I am back and I'm gonna go ahead and show you these ingredients, mix it and do me a quick taste, put on my clothes and rush up out this door because your girl got somewhere to go and I'm already running 35 minutes late. Again, I am making a rum pomegranate punch for this Halloween costume little shindig that I'm going to, and the ingredients are: you need a cup of pomegranate juice. I could not find just the plain pomegranate juice, so I opted for the cranberry pomegranate, and I already have fixed a 1 cup of that. You also need spiced rum, 1 cup, already fixed that. You also gonna need hibiscus tea. The recipe calls for 4 hibiscus tea bags. Then you need your Prosecco, baby girl, because again, it's gonna be a pomegranate rum punch with a little sparkling Prosecco to that. You gotta add a little bubbly for the bougie. And then also you're gonna need cinnamon, 1 cinnamon stick. And what you're gonna do is, I already have made it. You're gonna boil in hot water your cinnamon stick, 1 of them, and also your hibiscus tea bags, and let it steep for 5 minutes. And once that is done, you're just going to let it sit until you mix everything together, then you put it in there. So let's just go ahead and start putting it in. I already have my container right here, but I am going to switch it out for this pumpkin. All right, so when I get to the party, I am going to be using this pumpkin bowl to put in the punch, but of course I'm traveling, so I didn't want to put this in the car like that. I'm gonna wrap this up so it's not gonna spill or whatever. No, but yeah, this is so cute and fits the theme for Halloween. That's what the punch is going in once I get to the party. I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything together and put on my outfit. Oh yeah, can you guess what I'm gonna be? I already put on half of the outfit already, but I'm gonna put on that outfit and I'm gonna show you guys that before I actually leave.
Starts to shiver, for no
And
mere
presenting
mortal can resist.
Miss D Lovely, Miss Nurse D Lovely. Call me Miss Nurse D Lovely. Would you like for me to shoot you with some of my blood? Alright guys, what do you think? I mean, it's simple, but it's also D Lovely. She's a nurse in another lifetime. So this is my costume. I got it from Halloween Spirit, or Spirit Halloween. And I already had these red booties, which are very comfortable. That came from Steve Madden. The little jello shooties, or remedy is what you call it. And the dress. So yeah guys, this is my outfit. And I am heading out the door to the party, and I will catch you guys there. All right, bye. Hey my loves, I wanted to come up here really quick to wrap up the video and let you guys know how much fun I had. I also wanted to let you guys know that that punch I made was really good. We all had a great time playing games and just being in good company, good vibes all over. Let me know down in the comment section below if you celebrated Halloween and what did you do? Did you dress up? Did you take the babies out trick-or-treating? Let me know, girl, and I'll chat with you down in the comment section below. Mwah. Bye.